Hey folks, how you doing? I'm going to talk about this one card, the Mossi card. It was a 1966 tops, number 64. They both one of the worst cards. Right here, ranked one of the worst cards per guy. I mean, I see other pictures of this guy. It doesn't look so bad. Or version of the years he played in Major League Baseball. You can get this card on eBay between $5 to $26. Amazon from $5 to $56. He played in the Major League Baseball from um, 1954 to 1965. 5 years with the Indians, 5 years with the Tigers, and 1 year with the Kansas City A's. He was All-Star for one time only. He was born in 1929, died in 2019. Um, I mean, unfortunately, some reason why White Top picked this guy's card that way. I don't know, maybe it's the best pitcher they have for him, or they have some kind of thing against him, or something. But he just not one of the best cards ever. Poor guy, he lived long enough to realize people are talking about his cards. So, but it's one of the cards that I collect. Something unique. Just something to talk about. Um, Please please subscribe and like. Tell me what you think about this. I'm doing. You get people cards collection. Please let me know. As I would say, thanks for watching. Bye. Once again, please like and subscribe. That'll help me out, and I'll get more of these cards in the future. Bye.